Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming back to Smart Index Edge. I've introduced three indicators which are universal. It caters to intraday traders, it caters to swing traders, it caters for investment. In this video, I'm going to show you how swing trade can be established or can be taken. I've taken the example of Adani Power. Adani Power, you can see, even the consolidation. Consolidation, even in the consolidation period, you can guess where to enter into the market. With the help of the rolling pivot reversal magic, CPR Gann Hilo Stepline, and plus VCP volatility contraction, and Gann Hilo dynamic 3 color. These are the three indicators which has been taken care of the whole market structure. Consolidation, expansion, and the balance lines, everything. Even the narrow CPR ranges also. It will give you whether it is an ascending CPR or descending CPR. They are not dead CPRs, they are dynamic. CPRs are dynamic as and when it is formed. In this example, actually, if you go and see, after the up move, Adani Power, many people will not hold the position, they will book the profits, and many people will find it difficult to find the stocks for the swing. This stock was in uptrend. In the month of September, it popped up from the level of 140, 130 to 183. 130 to 183 is not a small joke. That is 41 percentage up move that stocks started coming down. So you are in confusion. See, day to day, it has come down. How much percentage? 30 percentage correction. From the 40 percentage pop up, only 10 percentage is remaining. Here comes, it was an uptrend. So my indicator, with the application of the indicator, I can catch the right move after this sideways move, proper entry. So it did not indicate any entry over here, but the moving Gann Hilo was positive. Even though it was going sideways, this halo was positive, it is blue. That is one thing. And the rolling pivots, they are roll along with the price. These rolling pivots were showing, see, from here it started showing neutral stance. Neutral to positive, but still the entry is not there. And then again neutral within the uptrend. The Gann Hilo is supporting, it is rising within the uptrend. It was positive. But if you would have entered here, suppose on 10th October or 6th October, in media and all, they will come under, this was the entry flagged by the CPR Gann Hilo. That is flipped, trend flipped, you got an entry around 144. 144. If you had this my indicator, you can hold, you can sit for days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 weeks. The price has not gone anywhere. And I was keenly observing this in this stock because it is in the uptrend, then it was the right entry for me. You can see the dynamic Gann Hilo 3 color. It was red. Even the shorter Gann Hilo, which has been with the CPR, it was showing positive. This was a mixed, indicating that it is in a range. And on 10th, exactly, this all these people became green. All these people. This Gann Hilo is already blue, and this was dynamic Gann Hilo from neutral to neutral. It became green. And Gann Hilo already shorter period Gann Hilo, it was rising step. The prices increased from 144 to 148, telling that price is moving higher. It was a slow process. It was the right moment I was able to catch this and make an entry 148, and after a brief consolidation. That is the beauty. It shows that it is going to consolidate in this area. I am happy because I've entered right over here. Even 1 or 2 days consolidation doesn't matter actually, 3 days of consolidation. See here at the bottom, purple colored dots indicated that narrow CPR, and if you carefully observe, the CPR was rising. CPR was rising when the volatility contraction bands were forming, contraction indicating the contraction. See, you can see the price. If you would have entered your trade on October 13th, how many days? Only 6 days. Within 6 days, it consolidated for 2 weeks, and within 6 days, you are getting a increment of 13%, 19 points. You have entered properly around 146. Immediately seeing this, you are already ready with this when the rolling pivot is showing a uh, transition. And this dynamic 3 color, it is showing a transition. You're ready to take the position because all have aligned. This is how you can pick up the stock at the right moment, right entry for the swing trade with the help of my rolling pivot reversal magic. CPR plus Gann Hilo step line. It is the step line which is with the Gann Hilo and VCP contraction to alert a big expansion is going to come. You can see the contraction alerted you, and narrow CPR also accompanied with it was a huge expansion. For an intraday trader also, for an option trader also, if they would have observed, this is a single day gain they could have made. I don't know whether it is in option or anything, just I'm telling that. Single day gain 157 to 167, single day 5%. No, not more than 5%. It is 6.76%. That's how it is. So this is a universal indicator for option. Option, it is a boon. For an option buyer, it is a boon. The people who struggle in option, people who get greed, they want to enter to make money in option. For them, it is a boon. It is like a boon because it gives you right signals at right time. you will get a right entry with the minimum stop loss. So you will be, and every step it guides you with the color changes, dynamic color changes, um, and buy alerts and alerts to exit. It gives you confidence, and you will have psychological comfort in your trade. Psychology is most important in the trade. Most of the traders fail because of their psychology. Psychology is dominates actually trading is in the trading system when the market prices fluctuates between red and green, your psychology will also be red and green. Green will not be there. You will panic when you enter into the at certain stage when price started coming without the knowledge, without the baseline, without the support line, you will panic. If you have these three indicators, you will be comfortable. You can sit through the game till it finish off. So friends, this is an universal indicator. You can select from, you can make a FNO list like this, and you can select the stocks very, very early and enter early. You can cash in. So just I'm clicking on this Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv gave entry on 15th. Before that, this dynamic Gann Hilo turned neutral. At that time, this CPR Gann Hilo was positive, and my pivots transition from at this area transition from neutral to positive things. So how to catch this? I'm putting Alt V, and I'll take you to hourly chart to catch this early move. The transition you can see here on an hourly basis, and you can hold the position. See here on, let me settings, go to the settings. What is this? Text. But why that text is coming? No. Style, time label. We don't need time label. Okay. So here I'm zoom it out on 14th. On 14th, the Gann Hilo show this here in this set. On 14th, throughout the day, it was showing a mixed feeling, but the rolling pivots were green. When they were rising, here there was proper alignment of the trade. There was aligning itself for the trade. The price is above the pivot, price is above the Gann Hilo CPR Gann Hilo, and dynamic CPR also getting aligned. Here, the major thing is rolling pivot CPR was green. Green means blue, that is positive, and the price was above the dynamic CPR. CPR, you can see CPR. The price tested the CPR, it was holding it, and this was the BTSD trade. You could have taken position, or otherwise you could have observed this and marked these levels. Mark these levels. I'm marking these levels. Let me mark it on red color. Let me make it little bit dark, and let me mark these two lines because these are the increase. rolling pivot. Let me come back to the daily chart. So, on a day when price crosses these levels, you can set an alert, price crosses this level, you can directly, immediately press the button, 2026. From 2026, it rallied to 2100 within a single day, proper entry for your swing trade, 4% of trade. But if you would have entered early from this area previous day, you could have captured the whole lot of 5%. 5% for your swing trade is very good actually. Very good swing trade. 5% to 10%, 9%. See, now it is at the stage of breakout. Of the consolidation, it is at the stage of breakout. Now it is showing a big bus strategy, and it is going sideways. All the pivots are green, and CPR Gann Hilo is rising, and the CPR is also rising. It is plotting a narrow CPR. It can do some sort of gimmicks over here, since it has plotted here in this area, narrow CPR, dozy. It can come down little bit, and align with the R1. It can give you some panic. Then it can create panic and discount, but the big bus driver is here. He knows it. It tactics, it comes down. So you can keep it in your watch list to observe, and the earnings is on 21st, Tuesday 21st. So that is on Deepavali day, it is going sideways. Probably if it gives a good result, there will be a huge breakout in this stock. Huge breakout you can anticipate in Bajaj Finserv. If I measure that, 1.618 measurement comes to 218. You can keep it in your watch list, not for trading, to observe what my readings, what my indicator is telling you. You can take a position. It's a wise indicator. The three combo can give you, the three indicators combo will give you confidence, and you can hold. You have got the entry. You are not going to panic over here, and your stop loss is here. You have entered here around 2020, and your stop loss is at the level of 1995. Just 21% of stop loss. With the 1% of stop loss, you are holding the position. So friends, you can do this with the combination of three indicators. You can get a swing trade, and also you can look for investment trade also. When the price falls at the bottom, let me go back and take the weekly time frame. So this stock, you could have entered here in the month of December 2025. From there, you could have picked up this stock around 1664 with the help of my indicator. You can see the price is rising with the intermittent fall. You could have picked up this stock around 1664 beginning of the month. See, from here to here, it has given 31% yearly return. Like that, you can trade, you can invest in the stock with the help of the indicator, three indicators combination. Let me go to the daily. Let me repeat it again. I think I've taken the indicators. No, I didn't take it. Let me go to the hourly. So friends, on an hourly basis also, intraday basis also, it's a huge profit. Okay. And the first one is the rolling pivot. This is the rolling pivot. I will enable one by one so that you can see. I'll hide this Gann Hilo. I'll hide this dynamic, this one, and rolling pivot. This is the rolling pivot with buy sell signals, and you can see the price is pivots are rising on an hourly basis. When you are on the daily time, hourly basis, daily pivots are plotted. So you are comfortable. It is above the daily pivot, and the Gann Hilo is supporting, and buy signals are there. There is no sell signal at all, and I am enabling this CPR. CPR gives you, see, narrow CPR. When it goes sideways, narrow CPR, it is ascending. See, CPR is also supporting, and the short Gann Hilo, if you miss the entry, it will give you it will act as a stop loss, and you can enter into it. That's how it is. And narrow CPRs are plotted over here, indicating that market is going to go sideways and contraction is coming in the range. And here later when it starts, pivot started, neutral stance. Even though everything trend is there, the alert makes you to not to trade. If you are an option buyer, you need to book your profits in this range. What the market will do, option premiums get decayed. The same option which has increased will lose its premium, so you can get out of the trade. These three combo indicators is very, very beneficial for your investment and as well as equity trade. I've shown you how to pick up stocks, even momentum stocks from the I had shown you how to make the screener on the trading view. It is over here. So your cooking ingredients are over here, and you can cook with the ingredients which are available very handy. Plot it over here, and with the indicator you can cook the thing, your trade, very easily. Even this has been popped on this day. It has started its move from Asian paint, started its move from this level. Here to here, 3 days of up move you could have captured with the indicator. See, the narrow CPR are forming daily. Even before the day starts, next day CPR is formed and indicating positiveness, indicating the continuation, even if it any discount because of the big bars, that is a buying opportunity. Okay, friends. So if you do not have this indicator, three indicators, you can message me 98452096000, WhatsApp me to get the indicator access All the three are paid indicators. Only one indicator I'm giving it as free with the two indicators, that is dynamic color changer. Dynamic color changer indicator, I'll just enable this. This indicator has been given as a free with the purchase of two indicators. That is, even if you purchase rolling pivot, this will be free. Even if you purchase Gann Hilo CPR, it is free. But the people who doesn't have rolling pivot knew if they purchase two indicators, that will be very nice. Even if they start with the rolling pivot and the dynamic Gann Hilo, that is also very good. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off. It will change your swing trade and investment journey with my indicator. Thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.